like little boys?
Oh, I love them, especially when they're as cute as that one.
Oh, well, much obliged. Ain't me, that was as good a gooseberry pie as I ever put in my mouth. Karen, maybe you'd like another piece of pie.
Oh, no. No, I couldn't, really. I just ate too much dinner.
Do you bake pies yourself?
Yes, I do.
Not gooseberry.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, honey.
Not as good as Aunt Bee.
That's Sandy's favorite.
Oh,
really?
yes. That's a mystery I'm reading.
Oh, really?
You like them?
Oh, I love them. Scarier the better.
Oh, ain't it a sight?
Do you like music?
Yes, I do.
Sandy, bring us a little something.
Oh, ain't
Oh, I'm sure Karen would love it.
Oh, well.
Oh, now, go on.
Oh, ain't me? She'd only hear this old country guitar.
He plays and he sings well, too.
Well, it's not good, but it's loud.
I really love to hear some.
Well, let me sit over here close to the ground. Well, now, let's see. What'll I play?
Play something lively. Pick a little of Solwood Mountain.
I know that one.
You do?
Yeah, my bark sound.
Chickens growing on Sourwood Mountain. Hey, oh, little day. So many pretty girls I can't count. So many pretty girls I can't count them. Hey, oh, little day. Old man, I want your daughter. Old man, I want your daughter. Hey,
$5.99. I'm from the union. I can pay. That's not my department. Their job was to repossess artificial organs. Pretty impressive, though. Until he needed one. Anytime you want, you're gonna be back on your game. You're gonna be knocking on that. There's 19. Falling behind on payment. Everyone wants a piece of him. That was yours.
What do you want to do?
Finish this. Well, man. Rated R. There's March 19.
Hi, may I help you? Yes, we're looking to save on car insurance, even if that means we have to shop all day, right, honey?
Yep. All day.